Hello everyone. Today let's learn about the multi-day screen. So multi-day screen allows you to enter the time for a fortnight. So you also have an enable disable option for the weekends. If you want to enter time for the weekend, enable the checkbox. You see the column for Saturday and Sunday. If you don't want to enter the time for the weekend, just disable the checkbox. So here I will select the project, task, enter the data for a fortnight. This if you're working on the same project and task every time, so instead of selecting the date for each row, you can just go to the multi-day, select the project and task once and enter the time for fortnight. So once you have made all the time entries, click the submit button. So the time is now saved. So this is how the multi-day works. Thank you.